They echo in temples, they resonate in caves. They are whispered in secret by yogis, and feared when recited by sorcerers. Mantras, are they just religious chants, or keys to a hidden science that modern physics is only beginning to understand? For thousands of years, sages claimed that the universe itself began with sound. Not matter, not light, but vibration. Could it be that every mantra is actually a cosmic code written in sound? Tonight, we dive deep into the dark truth of mantras, divine chants, or quantum vibrations. Stay with me because what you're about to discover will change the way you look at prayers, sound, and reality itself. The Rigveda, more than 3,500 years old, contains some of the earliest mentions of mantras. The rishis, the ancient seers, were not considered authors but mantra drashta, those who saw mantras. They did not invent them, they claimed to have heard them in states of deep meditation, as if tuning into a hidden frequency of the universe. The sound Om was described as the primordial vibration, the very breath that gave birth to existence. The Upanishads declared, not a Brahman, the universe is sound. Fire rituals, the yagnas, were said to be powered by mantras where words were not symbolic but literal forces shaping reality. The dark truth here is unsettling. Were these sounds discovered by chance? Or were they gifts taught by higher intelligences who understood the science of vibration far beyond us? Modern science now begins to see hints of this. Through cymatics we see that sound creates patterns. Sand on a vibrating plate forms mandalas. Water responds to different tones with geometric beauty. Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiments showed water crystals changing based on the words or prayers spoken to them. If human speech can alter the structure of water, and our bodies are mostly water, what then do mantras do when repeated with precision? Chanting Om at 432 Hz aligns with Earth's natural vibration, the Schumann resonance. Chanting together synchronizes heartbeats, brain waves, and even electromagnetic fields. Yogis claimed this long ago. Today, science is just catching up. Sanskrit is not just a language of meaning but of sound. Each syllable is engineered to carry vibration. The so-called bija mantras are seed sounds that do not mean anything in the ordinary sense, yet unlock specific energies. Om, Hreem, Shreem, Kleem, Gam, each one is linked to a cosmic principle. The Gayatri mantra, revered as the mother of all mantras, is said to unlock intelligence and clarity. The Mahamrityunjaya mantra, dedicated to Shiva, is believed to heal and even reverse death. Vishnu Sahasranama, chanting the 1,000 names of Vishnu, is believed to create a protective shield. What if these are not just prayers, but carefully coded sequences of sound designed to hack the human mind and energy system? Temples themselves are designed as resonance chambers. When a murti is consecrated, priests do prana prathishta, invoking life into stone through thousands of repetitions of mantras. The idol becomes a living field of vibration. Bells, conch shells, Sopanam-style temple chanting in Kerala, all are calibrated to amplify frequency. When hundreds chant together in a festival like Sabarimala or Thrissur Puram, the air itself seems to vibrate. Perhaps these gatherings were less about ritual and more about creating massive sound experiments, harnessing energy fields through human voices. And it's not only India. Across the world the echo of mantras is found. The Hindu Om, the Christian Amen, the Islamic Amin, strikingly similar. Tibetan Buddhist chants are measured to heal and calm the mind. Gregorian chants in European cathedrals were composed to resonate with the acoustics of vast halls, inducing altered states in worshippers. Native tribes around the world used war chants, rain chants, and healing chants. Everywhere, sound was the bridge between man and the divine. When viewed through quantum physics, this becomes even more fascinating. Quantum theory shows that reality is vibration at the smallest scales. The observer effect shows that consciousness interacts with matter. When we chant, we combine consciousness with vibration, literally rewriting reality at the quantum level. Studies now show mantra chanting reduces stress, stabilizes heartbeat, and synchronizes brain activity. Even DNA, our genetic code, can be influenced by vibration. Certain frequencies can switch genes on or off, healing or harming. Chakras, those energy points mapped by yogis, correspond to nerve plexuses in the body. Each chakra responds to a sound: lam, vam, ram, yam, ham, om. Were the ancients mapping a vibrational anatomy invisible to the naked eye? But there is also a darker side. Not all mantras are for peace or healing. In Tantra, secret mantras are used for power, control, even destruction. Maya Kali, Vishnumaya, Ukista Ganapathy, names tied to fierce energies invoked by those who dare. A mantra repeated with wrong intention is said to backfire, damaging the chanter. That is why many mantras are kept secret, given only after initiation and testing. The vibration itself can summon forces from other realms. Gurus warn that certain sounds are gateways, opening doors not easily closed. Were mantras then also ancient tools of contact with beings beyond human comprehension? In modern times, science is beginning to validate what was once mystical. Medical research shows chanting slows breathing, lowers blood pressure, eases depression, and strengthens memory. Brain scans reveal thickening of areas linked to attention and emotional regulation in long-term chanters. In therapy, sound medicine is now being used where drugs fail. It seems what the rishis intuited, our laboratories are only now confirming. So what are mantras, just prayers, or powerful sound codes that shape consciousness and matter? From the Rigveda to quantum physics, from secret tantric rituals to MRI machines, the story is the same. The universe is vibration, and mantras are the keys to unlock it. The dark truth is this: when you chant, you are not begging a god for help. You are programming the universe. Every repetition reshapes your mind, your body, your world. Maybe the gods gave us mantras not for worship, but as a manual, to awaken the divine hidden within us. And so the next time you hear a mantra, remember, it is not merely sound, it is code. And when sound meets intention, reality itself can be rewritten.